Okay, guys, welcome back to Architectural World. I really want to appreciate this family. Though we started not so long, but at least we are able to hit 1,200 something subscribers. So I really want to say a very big thank you to all this YouTube family because you're the best family that I've got. Honestly, you're the best family that I've got. So today, without wasting much of our time, first I want to appreciate you guys. I want to say thank you for your subscription. I want to say thank you for your comment. I want to say thank you for your engagement. I'm really grateful. Honestly, it's not really me after getting a lot of hits. I'm just happy that you guys are following up my classes. And I can see the comment section that most people have been gaining from this section. So in case you've been gaining from my program on YouTube, please kindly recommend others to join this family, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to drop a comment whenever you come across my video and you see that the video is okay to you. Just drop a like button for me. Just hit the like button, and please drop a comment so I'll know that you were here. Please, I'm begging. It's not, see, I need to beg you. Ma beg you. I beg. Just drop a comment for me. It really means a lot to me. It shows that at least a lot of people are turning up for me, and that is my top priority. So without wasting much of our time, we're still on the hotel design. So today we're going to be creating it from this spot. Okay, now, in case you're just joining this channel, this is Architectural World, a place where all your architectural design are being met. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So today we're going to put our slab. First, let's put our slab. Now, before we put our slab, I always tell you guys one thing, that since you're creating an elevation, though the up part is going to be different, but I prefer you copy this. You copy this wall, then once you copy this word, you uncopy this because you won't be needing this column. Then you uncopy this because you won't be needing this part either. Won't be needing this part either. I think so. Let me check. Let me check. Okay, you won't be needing that part either. So you come back here, you uncopy this. Okay, perfect. So right here, you'll be needing the rest part, but not, let's say you'll be needing the external part, not the internal part. So you press your Ctrl C, you press your Ctrl C, which is the copy layout. Then we have already gotten what we wanted. So let's put a slab here. First, before you put a slab, you pick your line tools because I want to create a landing, a pouch here. So I'm going to make that my pouch. Let's say I need 1 meter from here. Then I'll come down to the spot. Then I'll take this, and that's all, 1 meter. Okay. So the reason I created that line is to have a proper guide. So this 1 meter slab, let me change this to, okay, then let's make this dash. Okay, sorry, my bad. Let's make this dash. Okay, perfect. So now let's pick our slab tools, pick our design. You come to slab tools, you come this way. Okay, so the slab is 150 millimeter, which you know. Then the height, our elevation height. What's the elevation height? Let's check that. Let's check the height of our elevation. Is it 3.4 or 3.1? Okay, 3.4. We use 3.4. So let's go back to our slab tools. Then don't mind my voice. My voice is a little bit down today. So let's go for 3.4 meter. Then let's come here. The top layer is glass. Then the edge. What do you think? Wait, let's look for the 3D. Let's look for the 3D, guys. Okay, let's look. Let's use this. Okay, okay. The edge, the slab is not reflecting. The slab is not reflecting, which automatically means it has same background with this. The slab has same background with this. Was it this one I was using? Let me check the other side. I have two sides. I want to check. Okay, okay. This is slab. This is the one we're gonna work with. So which means we have to come this way. Okay. Let's pick all this off. Then the slab is okay. Then we'll click. Let's turn this on. Let's put silly. Let's put silly here. Okay. I don't want to rush my class. You know very well that I'm not the type that rush my class. So I'll pick this edge. I'll pick this edge. Make sure you pick all edges. Just pick all the edges properly. You pick all the edges properly. Okay, come this way. This is how to create your slab. This is how to create a slab. You come this way. You pick this edge. Pick this edge. You pick this edge. Make sure you're picking all the edges. It's very, very important. Okay, come this way. Take this. Take this. Okay, almost. Take this. Okay, let's go. Take this. Okay, take this. All edges are highly needed. Okay, you come to the end point, you let go. That's all. Let's see your maturity. Perfect. Now we have what we want, exactly how we want it. You can see very well. Perfect. 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 There is going to be a little error. What did we use on this page? Okay, I'm going to edit that later. So we have our slab right here. Now this stuff has just been slabbed. You can see very well. It has just been slabbed. So you can try to see the inside if you so much desire. You can see very well. This is the inside. Okay. So please don't forget to save your project. Always remember to save your project. So now the next thing we're going to go to, since we're through with our ground floor, this is our ground floor, we're through with it. So the next thing we need is our first floor. So from this first floor layout, you come down to the story, you click your first floor level. We labeled it accordingly. So we're clicking our first floor level. Now, if you check for my first floor layout, this stuff is still being printed. That is because the trace icon is being activated. I'll always tell you that. Then if you see this spot that I refused to copy at the first stage is still reflecting, and that is because I elevated it to the final floor. So I really don't need to copy it because it's already elevated. So all I just need to do right here is just click my paste layout and paste this item right where I want it. Now I'm going to use my Ctrl D, then pick it to match the merge. I'll come here, I'll paste it here. Okay, perfect. Now I have what I want. Let's see that on 3D before we edit. Perfect. You see, I just created my first floor. You can see it very well. I just created my first floor. This is the first floor, but the setting of the first floor is different. Let's see the picture for more reference. You can see that the setting of the first floor is different. This is where I just created. Let me show you. This is where I just created. So now what do? I come down to my story. I'll go back to my level. Now this is where I'm to create my rooms. I'm to create my rooms here. Okay, I'm to create all my rooms here. So how do I do that? How do I do that? Now, I have to scatter the whole of this thing, excluding this staircase. So where should we start from? Okay, let's start. Let's take this angle first. Let's take this first. Okay, this is no longer reception because we're trying to create another room here. So always use your line. At this spot, you need your line tools. So now let's look for 3.6 meter. Let's check something. Exactly, this 3.6 meter, and let's look for 3.4 meter. 3400. Okay, okay, this 3400, this 3400. So I need this wall to be here, then I need this door a little bit backward to the spot. Okay, perfect. So same thing is going to occur from the ground layout. Same thing is going to occur. So now I have my 3.1 meter. Okay, I don't need this wall, this door. I don't need this door. Now I just got a room. Please follow up what I'm doing. I just got a room. And if you check from our 3D, we are having just one window here, even from the reception. So why did I create two windows? Let's check something. Let's check something. Okay, we're supposed to have one window. So I think maybe the ventilation was hot. I think this two window is pretty cool though. It's pretty cool. Or what do you think? Let's say we already have this is a fixed light. This place is not accessible. So one window to this stuff is pretty it's gonna be hot. So let's try the two window. If it doesn't fit in, we'll pull it out. So the next wall we are looking for is 123 1 meter. Okay, let's say 1243. 1243 is the next wall we are looking for right now. Okay, that's the toilet to this room. So let's take this to the spot first. Then let's create a copy of this and merge it here. Perfect. So let's take this off. Then increase this to match this even above. Right here, we can turn off the trace, turn it off so you don't make mistake. So let's cut this off and cut this off. Then let's have a toilet here of, let's have a toilet of 2447. Okay, because the leftover part is going to be walkway and lobby. So let's take this wall here. Let's copy this wall to the spot, cut this off, cut this off, and take this off. Okay, then let's cut this off. Okay, perfect. There's going to be a wardrobe here doing the finishing. So we have the first room here. Okay, so we'll be creating, designing, and putting our doors at once. So let's have our first door here. Sorry, my bad. So let's have our first door here. Okay, then let's change this door to 750 millimeter toilet. Then let's have our entrance door here. Okay, perfect. So we have this here. Okay, so it's choice. The owner could either put it here, put this door here, but I always prefer my doors to have a resting end. So let's label this toilet. Okay, then let's label this room 2 because we already have room 1 on the ground layout. So let's label this room 1, room 2. Okay, now we're going for the next room. For the next room, room 1, room 2. Okay, okay, there's going to be a complication here. Now let's pick the next room, toilet. Let's go back to our document and pick our line tools. Then let's pick a toilet of 1.3 meter. Is it fit in? 1300. That's what we need here. Toilet of 1.3 meter. Then let's split this wall to this first because I need it. So let's bring this wall to the spot. Okay, so let's match this upward. Take this off. Okay, so we take this off. What do we need? We need a length of 3172. Okay, 3172. 3172. Okay, sorry, my bad. We need a length of 3.4 meter, 3400. Exactly this wall. So we have this wall right here. So we are taking this door away from the ground layout, taking this door away. So this should match this spot. Okay, so we don't need this door either. This is the ground floor we're trying to scatter, so don't get confused. Don't get confused. You're taking away the ground floor. So I'm trying to work what I want, the way I want it. So now I need a toilet wall here. And first, let me align this to this wall. Then I'll pick my line tools. I'll take three Take 3172 from here and paste it here. Okay, so I'm creating a toilet wall here and I'm going this way. Okay, I'll take this off. Now I need a window here, no matter how small it is. I need a ventilation to this toilet. Let's try 500 millimeter. Okay, perfect. Then let's trim this wall. Let's split this wall off and bring this wall back. Let's move this wall back to here. Adjust this toilet this way. Okay, I think we should take this off, then move this backwards to this, then take this. Let's leave that to fly first. What do we have here? 750 on 5. What do we have? What's the size of this window? Okay, this is wrong. So let me check the setting of the window first to see if it is toilet window. Okay, so I'm going to change this window to 500 millimeter, the width, then I'll change the height to 750 millimeter. I think that's what I'm using. Let me confirm it. Okay, 700 millimeter. That's what we're using, 700. Okay, then I'll change the seal to story 2 to 153. Then I'll do the same editing here. I'll change this to 500. Then I'll change this to 1530. Then I'll change this height to 700. Okay, perfect. So what do I need? I need a window here. So let's go to design. I'll pick our window tools. I'll change this to 500, same way. I'll change this to 700, same way. Then I'll change this to 153. I'll place my first window here. Okay, then I'll move this, rotate a copy. I'll rotate a copy of this and paste it here. So, okay, let's try this. Now we have this right here. We want it. I think we should move this. This has to come this way. Let's move this to fit in. Perfect. Perfect. We have it. Okay. So we got this now. What do we need? We need a line tool because there's going to be a rail on this later. So let's pick a line tool. Let's pick a line tool. Let's create a guide for the line to fly. So let's change this to dash. Always use the dash and the red or any color you like so you can be able to know what exactly is this. Okay, let's put this here. Perfect. So let's take away all this because we won't be needing it anymore. So let's take this off likewise. So we have this. Let's check that on 3D. Okay, you can see we just created this bird. Yeah, this is what we're currently working on. This is like cross ventilation, so let's just move this window to come this way. Since there is a space there, let's move this window to come this way a little bit, so it doesn't look like the air are competing with distance. Okay, I think I'm cool with this. So let's have this. So this can have opening to this way, while this have opening to this way. It's perfect that way. So let's go back to, okay, toilet. This toilet. Perfect. Now the door of the toilet ought to be this way. So I'm changing this door to this. Okay. Reduce this to come this way. Okay, perfect. So what next do I need? I need a room of 3.2 meter. Let's say 3203. That's what my design stated. Okay, let's have this here. Let's increase this. Okay, let's go. Let's create a wall here. Move your wall here to this. Copy, paste here. Take this off because we won't be needing it. Align to margin. Okay. Now we just have a room. This room is using external ventilation. That is what this room is going to use. External vent from the walkway. From the walkway. Definitely there's going to be AC everywhere, so it doesn't really matter though. So that's why this is like a room that needs its ventilation from sunlight. So it's going to be more of AC. Okay, so now let's put our window here. Let's have our window. Let's go for 800. Then let's go for 1500. Then let's go for 730 G to silly. So we have the first window here. We have the second window here. So let's rotate a copy here. Let's rotate a copy here. Okay, bring this to the spot. Please, you know I don't rush my classes, so kindly be patient with me. Okay, so we have this. Let's see that on 3D. Okay, you can see it very well. This is the room we just created. Sometimes when you are creating things, always make sure to follow them up. So it's going to help you a lot. Let's drag this off. So the middle can be used for TV. Let's drag this off. Either used for TV or for bed at length, whatsoever or howsoever is being arranged. This is just sunlight. This is just sunlight. Like, let it not be like it's a sealed room. That's the purpose of this window. It shouldn't be like it's a sealed room, and it's going to be a slide window, so it's not really that necessary though, but let it not look as if the room was sealed. So that is the reason I'm creating that stuff. So let's align this to the spots and create extra benefits for this particular toilet. Okay, now what do we need? We need a walkway. We need a walkway between these to access this. First of all, let's put our door. Let's put a door here. Let's put a door of 900 on this spot. Okay. Okay, 900 on this spot. Okay, so that means this has to go back. This has to go back to this spot. Okay, we have the 900 there. So let's create a wall here. Let's allow this wall to fly. This is the lobby to access this room. Okay, now you go through these to access this room. What's this? This room 3. This room 3. Okay, this room 3. Now we have this room. Let's have our room door here, toilet door. That's a 750 millimeter. Okay, toilet door. Then let's take this toilet door off because it's not longer for this room. So this is gonna be room. This was room what? This is gonna be room. Let's say 4. Let's make this room 4. Okay, room 4. Later, the owner is gonna label it the way it best suits he or she. So I'm just trying to create my design. So what do we need now? We need another room of 3.4 meter. We need another room of 3.4 meters. So we're going to pick our line tools and boom, 3.4 meter, 3400. Okay, 3400. So I'll move this wall to this spot. I'll move this here to this spot. Then I increase this to this. I take away my guide. Okay, that's 3.4 meter. So it's already have its own toilet. So I'm just going to put my toilet door. I'll go to my design, pick my door, then put my toilet door here. Okay, then I'll go to my window. I'll go to my window. Let's come to window. I'll put my window here. I'll copy my wall extra. I'll create a copy, duplicate, and move one copy here. Okay, I have that. So what do I need? I need the entrance door. So I'll come here. I'll put the entrance door of 900 millimeter. I'll place it here. Okay, now this is room 5. This is room 5. This is room 5. I'm just taking them step. This is room 5. Okay. Please always save your project. So what do I need next? The next room I need is going to be 3 meter. Let's look for 3 meter room. Then more in length. Let's check 3 meter. Okay, 29500. That's what we're going to have here. Let's come this way. Let's take this off. This is a staircase room. You can't alter it because it's flying from the ground layout, so you can't touch it. So let's say 2 meter. That's 2 meter. Okay, we'll take all this off because we won't be needing all this stuff. We take all this off. Then we'll take this off likewise. Then let's have our door here. Let's put our door here. Entrance door. Okay, so that's going to be, we're looking at 4.1 meter. I told you it's going to be more in length, so we're going to take 4.1 meter from this wall. 4.1 meter, let's say 4100. Okay, keep your guide here. 4100. You move this wall to this wall. Okay, we expand this to this, delete our guide. Okay, we take this off. Now these are all toilet doors, so we don't need them. All toilet windows, so taking all off. We take this off, take this off, and take this off. So we will be needing double window here for ventilation. So we place the first one here, take the next one, place it right here. Okay, now we have here to be the toilet. We have here to be the toilet. So we take away one of this window. A toilet cannot have two windows, it's not possible. So we just come back to our design tools, I pick our door layout, then we reduce our door size to 750 millimeter, then we place it here. Okay, now we have our room 6. Now we have our room 6. Okay, then let's take our toilet tools. Let's paste this here. Okay, now guys, you can see we have our room 1. This is the reception. It still has to flow. We really don't need this door here. Let's just hold on. We have our room 2, our room 3, our room 4, our room 5, our room 6. You can see, like I always tell you guys, you have to learn how to minimize and maximize your space. And you can also learn how to use the little space you have to create that amazing design that you want. If you check this very well, you can see that the arrangement, it looks complicated, but it's well arranged. So with this, it's going to help you to outrun any kind of wastage. Now, you see, this room was supposed to be like a waste, but it was created from the smallest part of it, and the room size is okay. Let's check the room size. Let's just check that. Let's pick our line tools. Let's say we have a room size of 3.4 meter by 3.1 meter. So at least it's perfect. Now it has its own toilet. Now we're supposed to have another issue of how do the toilet going to have ventilation, but you can see that I was still able, let me show you, it acted like a extra beauty to the stuff. I was still able to create a form of connection between the toilets. That's one thing you need to know. You can see I was able to create a form of connection just for the ventilation to push through. So always bear that in mind. If a client contacts you for a job, it's because the client wants you to use your brain while he pays you the money. So don't just design because you want to create design. You have to design because you have the passion to do the job. It's only when you have the passion that is when you can have the pay. So in case you're just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to Architectural World. And in case you're having any difficulties, please kindly drop it on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and click the subscription bell. So let's continue from where we stop. Let's pick it from this angle. Now we're looking for a room of 4 meter. 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter, let's say that's what we're looking for right now. Perfect. So we're going to take this wall, I need a shorter wall because it's going far. Okay, let's come this way. Let's place this here. Let's place this here. Then I have to take this off. Then expand this. Okay. Now this is my lobby. I told you I don't need this door. This is my lobby. So perfect. Now let me check the size of my lobby and see if it's okay. 1.3. I think that's perfect. Not bad for a lobby. 1.3 is okay. So we'll bring this here to this. We just collected 4 meters, I think so. Let's see something. Okay, I need 4 meters, exactly 4 meters, because this part is like executive. So you zoom to match. Okay, that's 4 meters. Whew. Okay, guys, I'm late for work, but I still have to do this. Okay, 4 meters square. That's what I want. Perfect. So I'm going to drag this to fit in this. Let's go. Let's put this here. Let's take away all these because we won't be needing them right now. Let's take this off. Okay, let's take this off likewise. Let's go to our design, pick our window, place the first window here, place the second window here. We'll come back to the spot, create a copy of this, duplicate, move to match. Whenever I'm creating a design, I always like doing the model at once, so I don't have to be coming back and stressing myself. So let's pick our door tools. Okay, first let's create the toilet of this wall. Let's take these glasses off the spot. Take this off. Sorry. Okay. Zoom so you see what you're clicking. Okay. Okay, perfect. So I need my design tools, documents, I'll pick my line. I need a toilet of 1.2 meter, 200. Okay. So we'll come this way, we'll duplicate this wall to fit in this. We'll take this guide off, cut this, mesh this. Okay, for proper connection. So we'll come here, align tools, we'll pick two, take 2275. We'll create a guide here, pick this, we look for this, create a copy of this. Okay, paste it there. Let's take this off and take this. Okay, let's take this door off and take this off likewise. So we'll go to our design, we'll pick our door tools. We have our toilet here. Toilet door, we change this to 900 millimeter. Change this to 900 millimeter and have your toilet. Okay, let's have the entrance door here. Then let's have the toilet door here. Let's take this to 750 millimeter. 750 millimeter. Then let's create it here. Okay, perfect. So what's this room 6? So this has to be room 7. This has to be room 7. This has to be room 7. Okay. Then this has to come down to this. We'll copy this. Okay. Now what do we need? We need another toilet. So let's increase this. Okay, so we'll come back to our design tools, documents, line tools. Both toilets are equal, 1.2 meter, 1200. Okay, take this, bring this, create a copy of this, paste it here, delete this off, take this off, take this off, go to design tools, door layout, 750, place it here. Okay, we change this to 900 millimeter, place the entrance door here. Okay, bar, we don't need this. Then what's the size of the room? We need a room of 3.750. Let's go to our design tools, document, line tools, come here. It has to be equal. Okay, so let's use this as a room size. Let's take this off. Okay, so we need our window here. So we can easily copy this window because it's on same line. So you can easily copy what is on same line. So let's create a copy of this and move to this spot. Okay, okay, perfect. So we have to increase this to go. Then allow this to merge here. Okay, this was supposed to be a straight line coming to the spot, but I figured it out that the room should be smaller, so I decided to wave it out a bit. So the staircase comes, you land through this way, and you access it through this way. So I think that's perfect. So let's go to room 8. This room 8. This room 8. Okay. Then there's the toilet. Okay. Now we're looking for room 9. So first we need the toilet of room 9. So taking all this off, taking all this off. Then let's look for the toilet of 2 meter. Room 9 is executive. So we're looking for 2 meter for the toilet, 2 meter for the toilet. Okay, guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please don't forget. We'll come down this way, paste it here, increase this to match this. We take this off, take this off. We won't be needing this door, this windows won't be needed this and this. Okay, we haven't even put windows on this, so let's take this off and let's take this off. So room 9, this room 9 super executive. This room 9, you can see how executive it is. Okay, toilet. So let's go, let's pick our line tools. Let's use 2875. Okay, 2875. Let's look for a small one to copy. Let's copy this. 2785. Let's paste this here, bring this to match, delete this off. Okay, let's make this here, bring this way, we call this off. Okay, there's going to be a small connection there, so I think this has to work here. Okay, perfect. Let's connect this, then let's connect this to this, then let's bring this, then call this off. Okay, we have it right where we want it. Let's bring this to this. Okay, well connected. So increase this to this. There is a bent wall here. Whenever you merging walls, make sure it's on a straight line. It's very, very important. Make sure that wall is on a straight line. So we'll come to our design tools, we'll pick our door layers. We have our door right here. Okay. Now let's drag this window this way. This toilet window. Yes, let's confirm. Okay, it's not toilet window. So let's bring this to match this. Okay, now we need our toilet window. We'll come down to this place, we'll go in 500. We come down to this place, we'll go in 700. You can copy this toilet window because they are not on straight wall. can only copy walls that are on straight. Same flight. Okay, let's have this here. Let's have this here. So let's go look for this first. Let's copy this. We need a staircase light, so we need a window here for the staircase. Then we need another staircase light here. We need a window here for the staircase. Okay, perfect. So let's rotate a copy of this to this way. Okay, let's paste in all the areas we have our toilet windows. Let's keep pasting this. The beautiful part of this is that what you have on this first floor is what you're actually elevating. So let's see that on 3D. Let's see what we just created on 3D. Perfect. You can see we have everything right here we wanted. It's just to adjust the down floor door. Okay, perfect. So guys, in case you're just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. It really means a lot to me. Okay, so let's go back to the ground floor. I want to reduce this door. I want to adjust this door movement to this way a little bit. Okay, perfect. I think I'm okay with this. Okay, so let's go to our first floor. Or you can easily copy this slab. Let's create a copy of this. I want to copy this slab. Let's copy this slab. Okay, then you come down to your first floor, paste what you just copied here. Okay, so let's move this to match, move it to match. Okay, perfect. So let's see that on 3D. Let's see that on 3D. Perfect. You can see what we just created. All elevation is coming out. So from this first floor, you can easily elevate it all. So let me just show you how to elevate it all to the third floor, because it's only the third floor that has editing. So let's come back to our ground floor. Okay, so we'll copy the whole of this, excluding our normal walls, being these walls. The walls we normally don't copy. We don't copy these walls. We don't copy these walls. Okay, we don't copy these walls either. We don't copy this wall. Don't forget, this wall is already elevated, so we don't need to copy this. Then let's copy, create your control. Control C, I just copied. So I'm coming down to my second floor. Second floor, my trace is already on. Turn on your trace if it is off. Then you paste this. Paste. Perfect. You click OK. Then let's see that on 3D. Okay, you see, I just added another floor to this. You can see where another floor was just added to this. Then this particular floor that was added, let me see, let me see, I just added another floor to this. Let me see how it goes. Okay, 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 the same floor. Let's check the 3D. First floor, second floor. Okay, it's same floor, so we can still use we can still use the same stuff for the final floor before we edit the room settings. So let's come down to our third floor and paste the same stuff here. Just paste it. Click OK. Then let's go. Perfect. Perfect. You see, the only addition we need is on this last floor, and it's not much. It's just for us to close this wall, then open some space. So let's check it out. You can see it's coming out exactly the way we want it. So guys, in case you're just coming across this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. If in case you find my class interesting, indicate in the comment section. And if you think I'm lacking, because there's no perfection in this world, if you think I'm lacking, also indicate it on the comment section, so I'll be able to dictate my flows and know how to come around with it. So I love you guys so much. You guys means a lot to me, and I respect you guys a lot, and that's the reason why I always take my time to express myself. I really, really do appreciate your efforts, your subscription, your likes, your comments, everything. So, guys, don't just watch and go. Hit the like button. I want the like to increase. Just imagine we're having almost close to 1,300 subscribers and we're just having few likes, like 5 likes, 6 likes. It doesn't make sense. So, guys, in case you come across this video, just click the like bell, please. Just click the like bell, click the like bell, like, yeah, click it right now, please. So see you guys in our next class. In our next class, we're going to be changing, making the changes on the up floor, and elevating this columns upward, putting our lights, our rail, then with other little modeling, our fence and the stuff, then exporting to Atlantis. So guys, don't miss out our next class. Love you guys so much. Thank you.